Hi guys. Oh wait.
Go.
What? Hi guys. So I want this and I'm gonna open it. So we're just gonna use this and I'm gonna use this to open it. Okay, so it's opened. I'm gonna How do you open it? Mom?
Yeah.
How do you open it? Oh, it's fine.
You okay?
Yeah, I was just asking how you open it.
You have to pull that out.
Okay, so we're gonna... This is what it looks like. It's 9th generation. It comes with this and the charger. So I'm going to charge it now. So, bye!